financing at let's say under construction, first of all, projects and new upcoming infrastructure projects. Because as you know that most of India is moving towards infrastructure and how the government has been pushing more towards infrastructure, there had been a huge shock because of which all the gains of the day were wiped out. Now, as you can see that still the volume has not yet gone higher than the previous day. So we cannot consider this as a distribution day, though the market had closed on a negative end. But with that being said, we have breached the 21 DMA and we are able to sustain the 50 DMA, so which is giving us a slight hiccup right now. And we will have to wait and watch whether or not we continue to close below 21 DMA to get a uptrend under pressure, according to the methods that we follow at William and Lee. The key news is are first of all, the results that we have today are of Dr. Reddy's, JSW Energy, Delta Corp, Voltas, Graphite India, KEC International, Indra Prasad Gas, Pidilite Industries, and others. The key news are some of here. Godrej Consumer's Q4 FY24 revenue grew 5.8% year on year to 3,385 crore. It reported a loss of 1,893 crore, impacted by an exceptional loss of 2,375 compared to a profit of 452 crore a year ago. Gujarat Gas's Q4 FY24 revenue grew by 5.2 quarter on quarter to 434 crore, and profit surged to almost 86% year on year to 409 crore. Lupin's Q4 FY24 revenue grew 12% year on year to 4,960 crore. Profit also increased 52.3 year on year to 359 crore. Now, the global markets, on the other hand, have been comparatively more positive compared to yesterday and today as well. The reason for this is because of expectation of Fed cuts that have come in. Due to the Friday's report, which were on the job market, they were extremely weak, which has given a huge signaling that despite inflation going a bit higher, it is a huge concern for the US markets or the Feds over there to take into consideration whether or not the cuts should be taken in on early. Because of this, the job market is getting affected as, if the interest rates are kept higher for a much longer time, there would be more and more job cuts coming up in the future as well, which is why lack of jobs or a bad job data gave a huge signal to the market that there is going to be a Fed cut very early in the coming month or maybe in the upcoming meeting as well, which is why you can see the US markets are, going on a rallying spree right now. On the other hand, the Asian markets, the Shanghai, the CCE composite is trading pretty much flat right now. So again, another global cue that there has been positivity. So the Nifty is opening up almost close to 100 points of a gap up because yesterday we closed at around 522,550, 50 points of a gap up. And as you can see, the current price is at 600, which is giving us indication that we will be opening up almost 50 points on the gap up due to this. So the stock of the day is Anant Raj. So Anant Raj is in the reality sector business where it's often lead to leasing or even owning of real estate properties. As you can see that yesterday the volume was comparatively much higher than the previous day and has also been a very crucial breakout from its cup and handle pattern, which is why it is another lookout for whether or not we can get into this stock as well. But the good part about this stock is the number of funds and the shares held by funds that have been increasing at a tremendous level, which is why we can get a good indication on where the stock can move in the future as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining in, and please join us tomorrow as well at 8:45. Rebel with MarketSmith. Thank you.